So I'll be showing you how you can share Instagram stories with specific people. So let's assume you're posting a story. So I'll come here and then choose that, maybe even add some music or whatever it is I want to add. When it comes to sharing, instead of tapping on Instagram and probably even Facebook, you want to tap on close friends. Now you need to have selected your close friends beforehand, but if you want to select them right now, you can just tap on this little arrow and then that's going to open these options. So this will share to everyone. This will share to close friends. Now, who are these close friends? If you want to select them right now, you can just tap on the number of people right at the bottom there. And then you can choose the close friends you want to share this particular story with. So for instance, if I don't want this person to see the story and maybe that person and that person, I can choose to share my story with this specific people. Okay, if there's anyone I don't want, I can just uncheck their name like that. Okay, and once I'm done and I want to share my story with only these people, I'll tap on done. And if I choose close friends now, my story will only be shared to those 5 people. Only these 5 people will be able to see my story. And then now I can tap on share and done. Okay, and that's basically how to share Instagram stories with specific people. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.